Understood? अश्विनी मेरे को भी भूख लग रहा है अश्विनी. हाँ? Right. Everyone, very good morning. Right. Okay, maybe in next week there is a new batch. Okay. Right. No problem. Contact Mr. Okay, no problem. There is nothing to pay about for it. Okay, now, Mr. Mahesh, contact Mr. Mahesh for that. Okay. So, we understood. Okay, right. Okay, guys. Last class, which topic is going? Nested if. Right. Okay. Today we are going to discuss one of the biggest program, guys. Real-time example. Okay. First, I want to give you the real-time example, that is also student result. How to find the student result? That means student passed. Okay, suppose if he passed in first class, second class, third class, fail. Okay, like this. Then how to conduct this example? Okay, now the program is this one. Read a student ID, name, 6 subject marks. Find the student total, average, and result. Result means what? First class or second class or third class or fail. That's all. Okay. Now, based on below table, how to find out first class or second or third or fail? Okay, simple technique, say this. Average and result. Suppose average greater than or equal to 60%. Student is getting first class. Greater than or equal to 50%. Student is getting second class. Greater than or equal to 35, third class. Otherwise, guaranteed fail. That's all. Okay, guys. Based on this table, we have to find out the student result. Now, how to make this example? Okay. Now, just to take a look on this. Here, I'm going to take some variables, hash include st.h, hash include conio.h, main. Up to main, nothing difference is there. Okay. First, we are going to read the main. Later, these are the details. Student ID number. Obviously, ID number is integer type. Okay. Generally, student number, integer type. That's why I'm going to enter ID number as integer. Okay. Next one. We have to take student. Name is string type now. And string represented with character data type now. That's why character name of 20. Later, another important thing, student containing how many subjects? 6 subjects. Suppose my mother tongue is Telugu. Okay, my mother tongue is what? Telugu. That's why main subject is nothing but Telugu. Next, English. Next, Hindi, Maths, Science, Social. Total how many subjects? 6 subjects. From this, we have to find out the total also. Okay, from this, we have to find the total. And that's why first ID number, later name, later 6 subject marks. From this, we are finding the total. Okay, guys. And later, average is also required. Float average. Got it now? And finally, we have to find out the result also now. And now say this, it is what? Class. Class means first class or second or third or fail. Actually, first class, second class, all these are string type. First class, string type now. And that's why again, string I have declared. And now these are the variables required for this program. Okay. Now we are moving to the programming. See this, guys. Screen clear. And now first enter student ID, name, 6 subject marks. Now scanf as usual, ID number, name string, percentages, and integer. All the subjects are integer. How many subjects are there? 6 subjects. That's why 6 times percentage D. Comma, first ID number, name, Telugu, English, Hindi, Maths, Science, Social. That's all. Now we are going to enter the student ID, student name, all the 6 subject marks. From this, we have to find out the total. First, to find the total. Total equal to Telugu plus, English plus, Hindi plus, Maths plus, Science plus, Social. Total also completed, no? Yes, total marks completed. From this, we have to find out average. Average equal to total by 6. Generally, we are going to put total by 6. But here problem is 6 is integer type. And total also already integer. Integer by integer gives again integer. No? But actually average. Okay, we need the accurate result. To get the accurate 6.0. Because of that integer by float, answer is float. Okay, integer by integer, but integer by float, that's why we are getting accurate result for this. And now total ready, average also ready. Only one thing is left, class. Now see this, if average greater than or equal to 60%, okay, now see this, strcpy of class comma first class. Why? Because means in C compiler, we can't copy a string. Already we have discussed that. In C language, we can't copy a string using equal operator. For that, we should have to use strcpy. When strcpy is there, we should have to go for string.h. Which header file is required? Now what happened means this first class going to copy into class. This first class copied into class. That means class becomes first class. Else if average greater than or equal to 50%, now strcpy of class comma second class. Now the second class copied. Else if average greater than or equal to 35%, strcpy of class comma third class. Else guaranteed strcpy of class comma fail. That's all, guys. Now all the classes completed. Okay, and now suppose you want to give the distinction, you can give the distinction also. Generally for distinction, how much average? 75%, 80%. No? Now suppose I want to add distinction class also. Okay, everybody take a look on this. Distinction also I want to add. Now greater than or equal to 75, he is getting distinction. Now add that condition also here. If average greater than or equal to 75, strcpy of class comma distinction. Okay. Else if. That's all, guys. Now print this one. First I want to print the what? ID number. Later I want to print the and later and finally, and here I'm going to give puts. Now line, I want to create the line also. Now line also created. Means just assume it is a heading. It is a what, guys? Heading, and below heading underline. Looking fair, that's all. It is not compulsory, but when it is given, the output is looking fair. Okay. Now print the details. First print the ID number. ID number integer, no? Next name string type. Total integer. Average floating type. And result also string type. Comma. ID printed. Name printed. Total printed. Average printed. And program finish. Now any warnings or errors? No warning, no error. Run this program, guys. Enter student ID 1001. Next Christian. The marks are like this. Okay. Now I have entered marks like this. See that, guys? Now the ID number printed, no? Name printed, total, average class. See that heading printed along with the heading. Underline also created or not? Along with heading, underline also created or not? Yes. Okay. And now 1 minute. For example, here I am going to use like this. What it is? Okay. And now see that guys, any difference is there? Enter student ID. Suppose to, for example, Khan. Marks are like this. Okay. Now see that. Oh, slash n. See this ID number, name, total, color printed or not? But slash n is not given now. When slash n is not given, what happened? Cursor is same line or not? Yes. Do one thing. Okay. Now and here printf slash n. Printf slash n means what? Next line now. Now see printf text color of, for example, light. Okay. For example, light red. Okay. And now watch it, guys. For example, 1002. Suppose blue. And marks are like this. First heading printed up. But see that ID 0 printed here. Everybody observe it. ID printed, no doubt. But later which one is printed? Why? Because of I am using C printf function now. Color printf. In color printf, spaces are not going to be printed. Then how to print, guys? Program is getting lengthy. Anybody? How to print the tab space? Every time you have to use printf function again. First C printf ID, again printf slash t. Because of normal function you require now. Okay, that's why do one thing, guys. Here C printf, just remove this. I'm going to use which one only? Printf now. Okay, and now printf slash n. Slash n gives what? Next line. Okay, and now underline also created or not? But the problem is this one, guys. What is the problem? For example, 5. For example, Abhi is there. Passed like this. 99, 67, 56, 45. But in one subject, 20 marks are there. Actually, 20 marks means pass or fail. But watch it. He is getting second class. This guy is getting second class. And now tell me it is the right one or wrong one. Why? Because of it is checking the average only. Actually, this guy average is what? 56%. When 56% is there, second class now. Greater than 50%, second class. And now tell me, guys, we have to check average of first pass or fail. First pass or fail, we have to check. If all the subjects passed, then we have to go for average or not. And that's why one more condition. If, everybody observe it. If Telugu greater than or equal to 35, means Telugu marks greater than 35 and English greater than or equal to okay, English greater than 35, Hindi greater than or equal to which operator? And operator. Why? Because all the subjects should be passed anyone now. All means and operator now. And means both. Okay, and means what? Both. That's why and operator. And here max greater than or equal to 35 and science greater than or equal to 35 and social greater than or equal to. Now the meaning very clear. If all the subjects are passed, then only this gate is open now. Gate के अंदर क्या है? Distinction first, second, third. Otherwise gate के बाहर क्या है? Fail. Logic very simple. If all the subjects are passed, then only this gate is open. And inside the gate, first class, second, third distinction. Otherwise, gate not open. Directly answer. Now tell me, it is what? If. And again, nested if concept again. With the ladder if combination. Logic very clear, see that. It is the nested if combination. With the ladder if or not. That's all. Now watch it. The problem solved or not. Suppose, for example, 101. For example, Kavya. Now marks are like this. One subject 34, one subject 10 marks. See that? But actually average. Clear now? Now it is giving the perfect answer or not? Yes. It is how to find the student result, guys. Okay. Based on the student, okay, details. It is how to find the student class. Student passed or failed, all these topics depended on this one. Okay, right. Everyone understood this example? Right. Now it is the program and it is the output of this program. Now distinction because of average 81%. When 81% is there, it is nothing but distinction or not. Right. Okay. You are having any doubts regarding to this? Come on. Everyone understood how this example is working? Everyone understood? Right. Now we are moving to the bigger program. Okay. Now I am going to give the biggest example. Okay. And now, what is that bigger program? Say that. Okay. Now it is one of the important daily routine. That is nothing but what? Nothing but electricity bill generation. The example is, okay, every day, every house required this one. Every month, one person coming to our home and he is going to enter some meter reading. Automatically bill generated or not? Electricity bill, guys. And now what is the program they are using for electricity bill generation? Okay, it is a program, guys. Everybody observe it carefully. Big example and important real-time example. Okay, and that's why everybody observe it carefully. And now how they are making electricity bills? What is the logic behind the electricity? And when this one is able to understood, same to same, RTC tickets are there now. Bus ticket program depended on this. Train ticket program, flight tickets, everything depended on this. Okay, means when you are able to understood, you can make a RTC program, train ticket or flight ticket, anything you can. Okay, now it is a bigger one. Thus observe it everyone carefully. First thing, in electricity bill generation, okay, they are using the slab system. Now you have to know what is the slab system. Okay, what is the slab system? Everybody have to know. And now watch it, guys. How they are making electricity bill using the slab system. I want to explain. Say this. And now it is the slab system. Electricity bill majorly depended on number of units. Okay, based on the units usage, your bill is going to be increased or decreased. And now unit price. Each unit cost is what? Now see this. Suppose your consumption is less than or equal to, okay, otherwise direct answer, 1 to 50 units. You have used 1 to 50 units only in this month. Each unit cost is 1 rupee 45 paisa. Okay, each unit cost you have to pay 1 rupee 45 paisa for that. Okay, when the units are 1 to 15 only, means 1 to 50. Now suppose your consumption 51 to 100. Now you have to pay 2 rupees 80 paisa for each unit. Okay, that means what? 1 to 50, 1.45 watt, 51 to 100, 2.8 is what? Listen carefully, everyone. When you are able to understand this one, then only remaining program you can understand. Okay, that's why take a look on this. I'm going to explain about it. Just take a look on this. For example, guys, this month you have used only how many units? 30 units. Tell me, guys, 30 units are between 1 to 50 units. We are getting the 30 in between 1 to 50. Yes, that means your consumption is below 50 units now. Yes, when below 50 units are there, each unit cost is 1 rupee 45. That means what? Watch it, guys. It is calculated like this. Okay, 30 into directly 1.45. Watch it, guys. Here I'm going to give like this. It is the amount you have to pay. That's all. 43.5 rupees. Okay, means 43.5 paisa, 50 paisa. Next, guys, suppose this time your consumption is like this. You have used 80 units, guys. You have used how many units? And now tell me, guys, in 80, we are having 1 to 50 units or not? Yes, 1 to 80 totally. Totally 80. Now 1 to 80, we are having 1 to 50 also. No? That's why 1 to 50, they are charged like this. 50 into 1.45. That is 72 and half. Okay, guys. See that correct or not? $72.5. Next, how many more left, guys? 30. Now 30 units left now. Now 30 into 2.8. Now watch it, guys. 84 rupees. Now 84 rupees. That means in this month you have to pay. Okay, total amount of tell me. 156.50. It is a billed amount, guys. I think now very clear. Everybody. Okay, first 50 units cost is what? 72.50. Second 30 units amount 84, and total amount you have to pay. It is called slab system. It is called slab system, guys. It is how the electricity bill is going to be calculated. Okay, next watch it. This time you are giving like this. Okay, now remaining slab also I'm going to enter 101 to 200. Okay, could you please switch on this? Oh, last switch dalo na. Thank you. Okay, off है मैं. Right, एक बार on करो. Right. Okay, now watch it, guys. Thank you. Next watch it. Here 101 to 200 units. When 101 to 200 units, each unit cost is 3 rupees 5 paisa, and 201 to 300. Now each unit costs 4 rupees 75 paisa. 301 to 500, each unit costs 6 rupees, and greater than 500, each unit costs 6 rupees 25 paisa. That means when your consumption incremented, automatically unit price also increased, guys. Okay, for example, this month you have used 580 units. How many units? And now when 580 units are used, how it is calculated? 1 minute, see that. I'm going to give this one. It is 30 units amount now. Right. Okay, right. Now it is the first 50 and it is the 30. Totally 80 units amount. Okay, guys. Next, watch it. This time we are going for this one. Okay, bigger one. Suppose user used 580 units. When 580 units used, how the bill generated? Okay, tell me guys, in 580 units, first 50 units available, then 50 into 1.45 plus 50 completed. Second 50 also there no? Now into 2.8 means 1 to 50 units 1.45. 51 to 100 2.8 means how many completed? 100 completed. See that here 50, here 50 now. Next 101 to 200. 101 to 200 means 100 units. 100 into 3.05. Next plus 201 to 300. Again 100 into 4.75 plus 301 to 500 means 200 units into 6 plus and 500 completed and still how many left? 518 totally. 80 more left. 80 into 6.25 and then see that how much it is going to be. 2692.5. That's all. It is the bill amount. Okay, how to pay in this month. It is the billed amount, guys. 2692.5 rupees. Okay, guys. It is how they are making the electrical bill. It is called slab system. What it is called? Now this one, how to make example. Okay, how to make this example. Watch it, guys. I'm going to start the program on this one. Everybody take a look on this. First, guys, in electricity bill generation, the most important thing is nothing but a service number. Every meter having a service number, and service number is a bigger number. Okay, service number is a bigger, and service number also having alphabets. Service number also having a alpha. That's why I'm going to take a character. Because of character can store anything. Alphabets allowed, numbers allowed, special characters also allowed. That's why character SCRNO. SCRNO means service number. Okay, or serial number, what it may be. Okay, right now it is a service number. In electricity is called a service actually. Okay, next. Second important thing, every meter registered with a name. Okay, owner name. Every meter having a owner name also. That's why first service number is there. Later name also there. Next, most important thing is this one. Long integer. What it is? Previous month reading. Okay, previous month reading, and here current month reading or present month reading. Because of first of all how they are calculating the bill. Okay, current month reading minus previous month reading. Suppose you are using power, guys, automatically meter moving forward now. And now how they are calculating? Previous month reading is there now, and current month reading also there now. Now current month minus previous month, automatically it gives the number of units you have used. It is previous month, it is the current. Next, based on this, they are calculating the, and later we have to find out the amount for this units now, and amount is rupees now, and rupees contain paisa also now. That's a floating type. Okay, and now watch it. The meanings are very clear. First we have to go for service number. Service number is having alphabets now. That's why I'm taking character, and name also alphabets character. Previous month, current month is nothing but long, bigger numbers coming. That's why long integer, and number of units current month minus previous month reading. And finally we have to find out the amount also. Got it? Right. And now based on this, I want to find out the total result. Everybody, CLR, SCR. CLR, SCR does what? First important thing, enter service Now scanf percentage yes string type na service number. Enter okay owner name or consumer name. Okay, scanf percentage yes comma name. Now we are reading first service number. Later we are reading the consumer name. Okay, up to this clear now. Later see this. Enter previous month reading. First old meter reading. Okay, old reading guys. Previous month means old reading. And actually previous month reading what type? Long integer. And long integer represented with LD type no? Comma previous month reading. Next, enter current month reading. Now read the current month reading. Scanf percentage LD ampersand current. Okay, previous month ready, current month also ready. Now from this we have to find out number of now current month minus previous. Why we have to take current month minus previous means meter reading always going forward only. That means this month reading more than last month reading. This month read me 1 2 3 4 5 6 means when 1 2 3 4 5 6 going means last number is bigger than the one or not. That means previous month smaller, current month is big. And now units also ready. Units also ready. Based on these units, we have to calculate the bill amount. Okay, based on these units, we have to calculate the bill amount. Then how to calculate the bill amount based on units? Okay, now see this guys. If units less than or equal to 50, the meaning is very clear. Means the consumption is below 50 or equal to 50. Actually, first slab is what? First slab 1 to 50 now. See that first slab is what guys? 1 to 50 units now. When 1 to 50 units are there, each unit cost is 1 rupee 45. Tell me guys, suppose the user used how many units I said? 30. Now 30 less than or equal to 50. 30 less than or equal to 50. Yes. Condition true now. When condition true, now you have to find out the equal to directly units into 1.45. The meaning very clear. Units. How many units used? 30 units. And unit price is what? 1.45. I think some 46.5 something. 43.5. Huh? See that? 43 point. Now it is the amount they have to pay in this month or not? Direct answer. Okay. And now if the units are below 50, this one is working. Else if units less than or equal to 100, second range. First one is what guys? 50 up to 50. Second slab is up to 100 now. For example, the user used 80 units. The user used how many units? 80. 80 less than or equal to 50. False now. 80 is smaller than 50 now. No. 80 is smaller than 50 now. No. Then program goes to this one. 80 less than or equal to 100. Come on. Yes. Condition true. When condition true. Now watch it guys. First slab. Okay. Amount equal to 50 into 1 point. That means in 80 first 50 units available now. And now they are calculated with 1.45. Now can I say it is first 50 units amount? It is first 50 units amount? Yes. That amount plus, okay, and number of units minus 50 into 2.8. Logic, observe it. Very important. And tell me consumption how much? 80 units. They have used how many units? 80. 80 less than or equal to 100. True. When true, 50 into 1.45. 72 and half now. Now tell me, can I say it is nothing but first 50 units amount? Yes, it is nothing but 50 units amount. That amount plus Total consumption 80 na? And already how many units completed? That's why 80 minus 50. 30 na? And that 30 into. Now can I say total 80 units amount? Understood or not? Everyone understood or not? I'm asking. The meaning very, very clear. It is the first 50 units amount. Okay. That is first 50 units. That amount to plus 50 units amount to plus. Actual original units how many? 80 minus 50. 80 minus 50. 30. Already 50 units amount plus. Now 30 units amount. No? Totally. 80 units amount or not. Now there is a clarity. This one is called slab system. This one is called. I think everyone clear? Okay, right. Now we are moving to the next slab. Suppose the user consumption 180 units. The user used 180 units in this month. 180 less than or equal to 50. Condition false now. And 180 less than or equal to 100. False now. Then program goes to this part. Now units less than or equal to 200 or not. Then amount equal to, okay, first 50 into 1 point. Can I say it is 50 units amount? Next amount, see that? Amount to plus second 50 into 2.8. Meaning very clear. Actually, total units how many? 180. User used 180. Okay. And now in 180, 1 to 50 available or not? And that's why 50 into 1.45, 72 and a half something. Now it is the first 50 units amount. No? That amount to plus, okay, 51 to 100 also there now. 51 to 100 means how many units? Okay, 50 units no? That 50 units into. Now can I say it is 100 units amount? Come on guys. Now watch it. Amount equal to amount to plus units minus 100 into 3.05. Now tell me, it is 100 units amount. That amount plus tell me total how many units? 180 minus means already 100 plus 80 units amount. Total 180 or not? Yes. Online students, everyone getting or not? Online students, everyone getting or not? Right. Very good. Very good. Next, now here, okay, here 180 units amount completed. Next, watch it, guys. This time the HR used 280 units. How many? Means the person used 280 units. Tell me, 280 less than or equal to 50. False or not? Yes, 280 less than or equal to 50. Condition false. And 280 less than or equal to 100. Again false. And 280 less than or equal to 200. False no? Now program goes to this condition. Units less than or equal to. Very good. Now amount equal to 50 into 1 point. Can I say it is first 50 units amount? And amount equal to first 50 units amount plus second 50 units amount or not? Okay, Tanmay Patil, listen. Tanmay Patil, you are saying repeat again now. I am repeating again. Listen carefully. Okay, suppose 280 less than or equal to 300. Condition true. When condition true, it is first 50 units amount. And that amount to plus second 50. And now 50 plus 50, 100 completed. Next amount equal to amount to plus next 100 now 101 to 200. Now into 3 point. Now can I say 200 units completed. It is 200. And still how many more left? 80 units now. And now watch it. This time amount equal to amount plus total number of units. Total how many units? 280 minus already 200 completed now, into 4.75. That's all. Now watch it, guys. It is 50 units amount. It is 50 plus 50, 100, and 100 plus 100, 200, and 200 minus number of units how many? 280. Now 280 minus 200, 80. 80 plus 200 units amount. Total 280 units or not? Yes. Next, now consumption 480 units. This time consumption 480 less than 50, less than 100, less than 200, less than 300. Both condition fail now. And then watch it. Consumption less than or equal to up to 500 now. And now tell me, guys, 480 less than or equal to 500. Yes, condition true. When condition true, first amount equal to 50 into 1.45. Tell me. Yes, it is the first 50 units amount. Okay, it is the first 50 units amount. Next, watch it, guys. This time amount equal to first 50 units amount plus second 50 into 2.8. Now it is nothing but first 50 plus second 50. Next 100 completed. That 100 plus next 100 amount 3 point. Now it is 200 units amount. Next amount equal to amount plus 100 into 4.75. I think it is 300 units amount. 50 plus 50 plus 100 plus 100. Totally how many? 300 or not? Now it is giving 300 units amount. Okay. Now finally amount plus. Now already 300 completed now. But consumption is how much? 480. Means still 180 units. We have to process or not? That's why here number of units minus 300 into 6 rupees. That's all, guys. Meaning very clear. Now 500. See this, everybody. Here number of units 480. And already 300, 100, 100, 50, 50. 300. Means 480 minus 300. 180. And they are processed with. And now that 180 rupees means 180 units amount plus first 300. Totally 480 amount. Now program close. And last, see that, guys. Else. Last else. Last else means what? Consumption greater than 500. For example, 580. 580 less than or equal to 500. 580 less than or equal to 500. Condition false or not? When condition false, program comes to. And now amount equal to first 50 units into 1 point, and second amount equal to first amount plus second 50 into 2.8. And now 100 units amount plus 100 into 3.05. Okay. Next amount equal to already 200 completed now. That amount plus next 100 into 4.75. Means 300 completed now. Next amount equal to amount plus 200 into 6. I think 500 units completed. See that? 50, 50, 100, 100, 200. Totally how many? Now amount equal to amount plus number of units minus 500 into 6.25. Already 500 units completed now. And consumption 580. 580 minus 500. 80 units amount. Already it is 500 now. 500 plus 80 units totally. And finally print the billed amount. Okay. And this month billed amount equal to percentage. Amount printed now. Check it out, guys. Okay. Service number 1 and consumer name ABC. Previous month reading 0, this month reading 30. Now you are getting a doubt, sir. Previous month reading $0 kaise? It is a Naya meter. Naya house, Naya meter. Naya meter starting with what? 0 or not? And recently it is connected and immediately bill generated. That's why how many units only? If my explanation is correct, for 30 units it have to show 43 point. See that correct or not? Right answer or wrong answer? Right answer. Next watch it. This time service number 1, some name ABC, same. And previous month reading, for example, 30. Previous month, current month reading this month. Last month, current month reading. For next month, previous month na 30. And enter current month reading. For example, 110 means how many units used? 80? 80 na? 80 units means, if my explanation correct, 156.50. Yes or no? See that it is giving same answer or not? Yes. Logic very clear. Next watch it. This time, suppose service number 1 ABC, previous month reading 0, this month reading 580. If my explanation correct, it have to display 2600 something. 2692.5. See that correct or not, guys? Same to same amount. That means our program 100% working or not? It is electricity bill slab system. How they are generating the electricity bill program? Okay, actually every month one person coming now, and he is having a small machine now. Nowadays RTC bus driver, conductors also having same machine now. Parking area, in parking area also same machine na. They're willing giving the bills or not? Tokens, they're giving the tokens. Okay, and now all these are, they are going to create the same concepts, same program they're having inside that machine, guys. Okay, but the only one difference between our program and their program is, their program already linked with the database. Our program already linked with the database. When they have entered service number, automatically old month details coming. Point understood? When they have entered scanned or entered the service number, it is showing the owner name, previous month reading, bill paid or not paid, all these details. Because of that, programs are connected with the server. That program connected with the, but right now in our class we have not discussed any files, means database. Am I right? That's why I have entered manually or not. All these details I have entered manually or not, guys. But inside they are using same program. Okay. And now can I say it is electricity bill project? It is called electricity bill project, guys. Okay. And anybody guess it? Maybe this program cost. Anybody? Guess it, just guess it. Maybe this program cost. Anybody guess it? Maybe the software cost. Okay, at least tell me who is going to design this program. That coming person, entered person, electricity MD na. Then software companies again. For this they are going to contact a software company. For example, they are contacting the TCS company, for example. I am saying, guys, TCS company. And not only this one, in electricity bill so many things are there. You know that so many electricity bills types are there. We have conducted the example on domestic. It is domestic purpose, guys. So many billing are there. Okay, I have not given all these things. Actually we are having domestic purpose. Second one is the commercial. Agriculture is there. Next one, government sector. Doubt what is holding, huh? Very simple. Actually, South India shopping mall. You know the South India shop. Bada screen road page. That is called hoarding. Flashlights are there now. It is different concept. You know that? Now here the procedure is same, but slab system is changed. Okay. Right now we have discussed only what, guys? Domestic means house purpose. Remember, we have discussed what, guys? House. Very good. Commercial, agriculture is okay. Yes, of course. Industry, bada companies. Now you are getting doubts. Sir, commercial what? Industrial what? Commercial means shops. Shops are there on roadside. The shops are coming under. Okay, but companies are there now. Tata Motors. It's example I'm saying. All these are industrial. Okay, they have to pay more money. Industrial sector, they have to pay more money, guys. Understood? That means different sectors are there. How to prove it? That one simple, very simple thing. See that, guys? Electricity bill. Now I'm going to show you the bill, guys. Okay, just watch it. It is showing the electricity bill or not. Everybody take a look on this. Now it is showing the bill. TSSPDCL, Telangana State. Okay, bill come notice. Date 5/6/2020. Date means on which date it is generated. Bill number. Okay, Malkajgiri area. Okay, next section Vinayak Nagar. Okay, area code and serial number they have deleted. Name, see that. Service number I said now. See that SC number visible. SC number means service number or serial number. Name also there or not. Address also there. And later see this category. Very clear. Category what it is? Domestic up to 3 kilowatts. Up to yes, contracted load up to 3 kilowatts. Now watch it, guys. This time I'm going for another one. Okay, 1 minute. See that. Just watch it. 1 minute. Yes. Now watch it, guys. This time it is changed or not. Okay, bill number something. Name AC got something. And here see that area DVV some Subramanyam Krishna Shalini Estates. Address see that. Category 2. Okay. And how many units they have used? 10,030 units. Okay. See this, guys. 10,030 units. And they have given they have to pay this month 60,000. Means what? It is domestic, commercial. It is nothing but commercial, I think. Okay. Now watch it, guys. It is a commercial. Okay. Like this. Present reading, previous reading. See that? In our example, we have used what? Current reading. And here, previous reading. Very clear or not? Based on this, finally they are making the bill amount or not, guys? Yes. Okay. Like this, it is going to be changed, guys. Actually, they have given the difference. Category. They're mentioning what, guys? Category. Okay, right? I think everyone understood now this concept. Right. It is how they are making the electricity bills. And actually, bill backside, they are mentioning that, okay, categories, all these things also. Okay, fine. It is enough. Now the point is, suppose it is conducted by TCS company. It is going to designed by TCS company. How much they are? 500 rupees. TCS company doing this project with 500 rupees. वो address दे दो मैं भी जाऊंगा. Okay, minimum 5 to 10 lakhs. I'm not joking, seriously. It is a software industry. How they are earning the money, guys? Because of they have to pay the current bill now. TCS company also paying the current bill now. Yes or no? Yes. And they are centralized AC companies. Yes or no? Now it is they have to pay minimum 5 lakhs for this project. It is the importance of project work. Okay. And now for example, guys, just watch it what I'm saying. For example, this project, suppose they want to create this project and they have contacted me. I'm ready to design this. Now they are asking me, okay, how much it is required? Means how much money? Okay. Actually, how much time I have taken to complete this project? Actually, how much time I have taken for completion of this project? 40 minutes or 30 minutes? With explanation or without explanation? Suppose myself I am going to do this. 5 minutes is enough or not? Maximum 5 minutes is enough. And now the person asked, okay, how much amount for this? I said 5 lakhs, guys. And now immediately they are going to ask me, how much duration required? I said only 5 minutes baito. Okay, chai pee ke aao, bana ke deunga. Example. Okay, I said just chai pee ke aao, मैं बना के देऊंगा project. Now they are going to say simply, पागल दिख रहा है क्या? For 5 minutes, 5 lakhs. For 5 minutes, 5 lakh they are ready to pay. I am Samantha, ribbon cut करके 5 lakhs लेने के लिए. Heroines are coming ना shop opening के लिए. They are going to do only one thing, ribbon cutting. Yes or no? First class flight charges, so many things they are getting. Yes or no? And now for 5 minutes, anybody is ready to pay 5 lakhs? No. That's why simply I am going to say with them 3 months minimum. Now, when I am saying 3 months, their brain understood. Oh, ये तो बड़ा project. That's why they are ready to. Yes, human mentality, guys. It is the human mentality. Yes or no? Now when I said 3 months means they are ready to pay even 10 lakhs also. They are thinking what? Big project or not? But it is a business, guys. It is just it is not a free service, na. It is a business. Okay, leave it. Now all these things everybody understood. It is the importance of the project, and in real time example, along with this service charge, okay, fuel charges, so many things are they are adding. Okay, see that already I have given the bill now. In that bill you are having service charge like this. Okay, all these things are going to mention, guys. Like this they are making the bill. First program understood or not? Everyone, this program understood or not? Right. Okay, I'm adding this program to your, but here we are having some problems also. What are the problems we are having? Okay, already I said to become a good programmer, the first thing is it should be a bugless program. I said or not? But in your program, bugs. What kind of bugs this project is having? Okay, see that very simple bug. Enter previous, okay, service number 101. Enter consumer name Suresh. Enter previous month reading 1250. Previous month reading 1250, guys. This month reading, for example, okay, 1700, guys. This month reading is what? 1700. But I have entered 170. See that? Actually, the consumption 1700. 170 only. I have to enter 1700 now. Now watch it. This month, Suresh Kushi minus is 1566. Now, Suresh going to pay. Our government is paying the money. Bolo. Now Suresh is paying the money now. Government is paying the money now. That means today evening, एक full लाके party करेगा. Free से आया ना money. Yes or no? That's why full party करेगा. But next month, Suresh have to cry. Next month, Suresh. Now, okay, previous month reading. Suresh na? And previous month reading 170 हो जाएगा. Last month current month reading for next month previous. Logic very clear. 170 user entered now, and now 170 becomes old reading, and this month 2500. मीटर आगे जाएगा. हाँ, एक बार देखो कितना पे करना है. बोलो 13,000. Why? Because after 500 units, every unit is 6 rupees 25 paisa. Logic very clear. When units are increased into 6.25, that means unit cost बढ़ गया जी. Unit cost incremented or not? That's why he have to pay more money. Now tell me, it is a Suresh mistake, that entered person mistake. Come on, I need a clarity. It is Suresh mistake, entered person mistake. Entered? Yes, 100% wrong answer. Programmer ka mistake. Not Suresh, not that person. It is a programmer. Programmers are okay for designing the programs without bugs. It is the main bug in your project. कैसे मीटर नंबर पीछे जाएगा जी? मीटर नंबर कैसे पीछे जाएगा? प्रीवियस मंथ रीडिंग क्या है? 1250. प्रीवियस मंथ रीडिंग 1250 and current month reading 170. कैसे? बोलो. Possible? Meter always going forward only. Actually, in our villages, it is possible. In our villages, they are going to attach a wire from that point to this point. Meter not rotating. Power coming. General thing it is. And I think everybody knows. In marriage, okay, in villages, when marriage is there, they are not using their own current. Directly stick लगा के poles को लगा देगा. Current poles होता है ना, इधर एक stick, इधर एक stick. Direct power use. Still it is going in villages because of everybody follows the same mechanism. Na? Yes or no? Yes. Okay. Listen. Once upon a time, we are having analog meters. Means circle is there. It is rotating. Still, in some states it is there. Analog meter they are called. Based on your says the meter is going to move faster. When it is moving faster means you are using more power. When AC is on, geyser is on, microwave on, these three items are going to take more energy na. That's why it is moving faster. When you are connecting that corner, this corner with wire, means current not passed to meter, directly घर में आएगा. Point understood? That means meter is stopped. Bypass guys. Bypass road. Understood? It is what is happening. Nowadays it is not possible. Why? Because nowadays digital meters. Nowadays they are using and office seal also there. Every meter they are going to seal. One seal is there. Suppose the seal is broken, unfortunately, you have to pay the fine. Rule, government rule it is. Okay, to avoid. Understood? But in your program, it is possible. Dekho. Previous month reading 1250, current month reading 170. Kaise possible? Means it is your bug or not? Tell me. But who is facing the problem? With your bug, who is facing the problem? Suresh guys, how can you say Suresh is facing the problem? Very simple. Suppose this well generated. Guys. Now the person going to stick on house now. Now, okay, he is leaving now. And now Suresh have to pay the amount now. Now he is going to where? Going to make a complaint. He is going to make a, and the persons are visiting again their home. And now they are checking the meter and again they are going to make the corrections. For this, first of all, Suresh have to go to the office now and chitti padega na. I'm saying leave and petrol, gadi pe jana hai na. All these are waste and government also lost. How already print out generated na. Now they have to again make a printout or not. All these are money waste topic or not. And now tell me whose mistake it is. Programmer or not? Yes. Okay. Then how to overcome this problem? Okay. Now I am giving solution. एक बार check कर लो. Very simple. If current month reading less than, very clear message, small condition. If the current month reading smaller than previous month, meaning clear ना? Now current month छोटा होता है? No, लेकिन छोटा हो गया ना? Then immediately देखो what I am doing. Puts off. Puts means printed ना? Now first slash a. बोलो. बाहर से आया कोई साउंड आया ना, वो साउंड आएगा. Slash a means beep sound. Now the machine is giving kui sound. That person understood something wrong or not, guys? Okay, that's why we need the alert. That's why we need the, that means when you are entering wrong data, immediately that machine is giving a beep sound. Okay, that machine is giving a beep sound or not. A later message also. What is that? Check current month. Check current month. But watch it, guys. This program working properly or not? Okay, service number 1, Jack. Previous month reading 1000. This month reading 200. Again, wrong input, no? Now system is giving what? System is going to give what? Beep sound. Online student, listen, sound is coming or not? Online students, there is any sound? No? No problem. In your system, check it out. Okay? Right. Okay? Now it is giving beep sound here. No doubt at all. It is going to give beep sound. But the problem is, after beep sound also, bill generated, see that? Minus 1160. Right or wrong? Wrong. Okay? Now, okay, beep sound coming, no problem. But bill already generated. Time waste again. They have to generate a fresh bill or not. Then current. That's all. I'm using this technique, guys. Now meaning very clear. After giving the beep sound, I'm saying go to. Why? Because current month reading problem, no? Then here I am declaring what it is, guys. Label. What it is. Now the program jump to label, no? And label is asking again. Now this time the person is entering correct current month reading. Logic understood? And now time saved, money saved. See that correct or not? Everybody observe it. 1 Suresh, for example, 1250, but user entered 170. Actually, he have to enter 1750. Yes or no? Or 1700. But user entered. Immediately see that. Bill generated, waiting for current month reading. Tell me. Bill generated, waiting for current month. And now user entered correct reading. See that? Now bill generated or not? Now simple solution. It is called debugging. It is nothing but fixing the bugs. Debugging means fixing the, means we are solving the bugs or not. We are giving the solutions for problems or not. Exception handlings. Okay, like this. Like this we can solve the issue. Now the problem solved or not? Everybody. Now the problem is solved. And next. Now watch it, guys. There is another problem also there. I want to show you that problem. What is that another problem? Enter service number 101. Consumer name, for example, Jack. Okay. Now enter previous month reading 1000 and this month reading 1001. Okay. How many units they have used? Means this month they are very happy. Jack is very happy. Why? Because only 1 rupee 45 paisa. 1 unit, no? That, but government not allowed this. Minimum charges are there. For every electricity bill, you are using or not using, you have to pay minimum rupees, or you have to pay minimum charge. Suppose minimum charge 50 rupees. Suppose I am saying how to make the minimum charge program. Very simple. If okay, amount less than 50 means actual amount less than 50, then amount becomes 50. A previous example, amount is 1 rupee 45 paise, no? 1.45 less than 50. Yes. Then amount, now billed amount 50 rupees. See that guys? One, for example, Jack, 1 unit, second unit. Actually difference is how many? One, but he have to pay minimum 50 rupees, no? That means minimum charge applied or not. That's all. It is how they are making minimum charges. Got it, everyone? That's all. It is a program, guys. It is how they are making the okay real-time electricity bill. And here only one thing you have to remember: either domestic or commercial or industrial, leave it. Procedure same, but when slab is changed means when domestic to house per means domestic to commercial means unit price increased, guys. Moreover, nothing. Program same. Program same to same, but they are having less slabs and unit price also increased. Okay, they have to pay more when compared with domestic. They have to pay more when compared with domestic. That's all. Is it clear? That's all, guys. It is how they are making electricity bill. Okay, it is a program, and it is the output of this program. And for example, this time it is the okay working style of this example. Yes, you are having any doubts, guys, in this example? Everyone, you are having any doubts? Okay, up to this everyone clear up? Okay, and now we have discussed all the if conditions. Okay, and one more thing I have observed that in this example I have used, see this, I think it is everybody see this simple if. Up to this it is simple if, only one if condition, and I think it is ladder if. Tell me. It is ladder if, and finally again simple if. See that? Yes or no, guys? That means based on your requirement, you have to use the proper conditions. Understood? All these things we have discussed now. And can I say it is combination with go to label also? Okay. And now we have finished all our if conditions. Simple if completed, if else completed, ladder if completed, nested if also completed. Now we have used mixed conditions. Am I right? Some more, that is one more thing is there, that is nothing but switch. We are having what? Switch, but it's a lengthy topic. Okay, tomorrow we are going to start with the switch statement. Okay, guys, tomorrow we are going to discuss. Tomorrow there is no holiday, no republic for us. Understood? For class, there is class. Understood? Right. Okay, guys, tomorrow we are going to discuss the remaining topic tomorrow, guys. Until that, take care and bye bye.